oatmeal fufu. Well, we do. We love it.
Who loves okra soup?
We do. We love okra soup. It's our favorite. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, ignore my face guys. Yeah, today is not the best day for me. Like, a lot have happened today, but we move. It's okay, it's fine. So guys, I've been seeing all over YouTube oatmeal fufu. Yeah, normally I don't like swallow. Like, I swallow, but not all the time. It's not one of my favorite food, you know, but once in a while I do. So guys, today I'm going to be trying this out with my kids. Yeah, normally we make a pando yam, but recently the pando yam now is not like before again. Even the color, the one we bought last time, the color was just yellow. It was as if they added color or something. So I'm scared to even eat that or even give that to my kids right now. So that's why I just decided to like try out this oatmeal fufu. So let's try it out and see if we are going to like it. So I have my blender here. Papa? Yes. So let's see. I think 1 cup will be enough. Come, Papa. Let me blend it 2 cups or 1.5.
Me too,
Okay, that's enough. So I'm using a Quaker oat. Yeah, Quaker oat. If you don't cover it, it's not going to work. I can. Oh, let's mark it. So far, I'm done blending.
Emma.
Papa. Yeah, it's Quaker oats. So this is what it looks like. It's so smooth though. I'm coming in. I know you are hungry. I'm coming, okay? Yeah, but we are going to use it to make Emma. You see this one? You see this one? Like Emma?
Yes.
I did not ask you to. Hey God, Nathan, it's okay. Go to the sitting room. When the food is ready, I'll call you.
Yes.
So this is what it's looking like. He's so smooth.
Yeah.
So let's make it.
Lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, that I get when looking down from the sky.
The fufu now. Nathan, sit down, okay? Harmony is here, but you people cannot see Harmony. Harmony, try to show. So this is what it's looking like. It looks, it kind of. Nathan, sit down. Oh,
Emma.
don't worry, I'll change the position. Let me finish talking. It kind of looks like amala though. It looks good though. So we are going to be eating it with okra soup. I made this soup this afternoon. Nata, sit down, it's okay. I made this soup this afternoon. So let me turn the camera a bit so that you guys can see Harmony. So, okay, it's good now. Amen. We already wash our hands. So this one is just option 2. You know, when you are eating with kids, you have to have plan B. So Harmony already prayed. Thank you, Jesus, for this meal. Thank you for provision. Amen. It's yummy. You have not even swallowed the food. It's yummy. Put yourself that way. Yes, pepper. Yes, pepper. Okay. Let me try it. You kind of look good in the hand though. It look like normal fufu now.
What is fufu, Emma?
Emma.
C'est bon, maman.
Guys, it's good.
That's good. It's good.
It's good.
Oh, we are going to be making it every day.
Yeah, it's good.
It's healthy. It will make me strong. I don't know if
Guys, it's good, okay?
Guys, make it and eat it. You will see, you will like it so much.
Guys, you know Harmony's here. We are just coming from outside. So, they went to the park to play. So,
Me, I want to finish it.
It's delicious, okay? I thought it's going to taste like that. But no, I was wrong. It tastes really good. And it's just like normal Emma, you know, normal pando now. It just feels like normal pando in the hand. So no more pando again. This is our go-to swallow now. Can you like it?
This soup.
It's like the food is far from you, Harmony. No?
Yes.
Let me push it a little bit. You guys like it?
So much. Too much. Too much, mommy.
So much?
Yes.
Nathan is very hungry. This boy, he don't eat much at crash.
He didn't eat beurre.
He just eats few things at crash. He don't eat much. When he gets home, he's super hungry. Nathan, give your sisters Emma.
Stop rushing.
When he gets home, he will be super hungry. You can see the way he's rushing the food. He wants to put his face inside.
Like we put our face in gâteau.
Guys, the combination with the okra soup, everything is just perfect. It's just perfect.
On the fly, I wanted to go to the...
No, ignore the fly. Oh, this
but they
is
will
summer.
go to our food. No.
We
Leave me alone. I'm not the flower.
That's summer for you. Once you open window, fly will turn your neighbor.
He's taking luggage like this. I'll come to our house.
Exactly.
But he don't want his house. His house.
Delicious, papi?
Yes. Look what he did.
Now look at the mess Nathan is making. Look at that mess. My kids like the soup a lot, especially okra. Okra is their best soup.
Yes. Yes.
Who doesn't like okra though? Even me. I think okra is my best food. It's not even thinking. I'm not thinking. Okra is my best food.
Excuse.
If I should cut inside for you, okay? I can see you are finding it difficult to cut. He's super hungry. one is finished. I think I can take another paper. The okra soup is just delicious. It was a quick feast this afternoon because I know that we are going out. I don't want to come back and start looking for what we are going to eat. I just decided to make it before we go out, before we went to pick Nathan from fresh. You don't want water, Papa?
Yeah.
Guys, we love it. Yeah, we love oat meal fufu. We love it. Kind of look like amala. Look like amala.
I look like amala.
And I love the fact that it's a very healthy choice. At least you know what you are eating. It's not like all those pando. Most of the time they mix it with flour. You think you are eating yam, but you are eating flour. Or this one, you know you're eating oats. You know you're eating oatmeal. Oatmeal is a quicker oats.
Carrot.
Naka want to sleep inside the food. Just take a look at him. I'll put him out for you.
Yes.
You like the Emma? How many stars do you give it? How many stars?
7.
Oh my God! Nathan gave it 7 stars. Oh wow! How many stars?
1,050 cents.
Oh my God! 1,050 stars. Oh gosh!
And also 150. 55 1400.
Wow, that's a lot of stars, Mama. Don't finish your stars, huh?
8, 9. I'm not finished. I will take all the stars.
Nathan just messed this place up. Just take a look. Guys, this is now my go-to swallower. No more pando for me. This soup is super delicious. I didn't film it. I'm sorry. I think I'll be filming it next time. I was kind of in a hurry, so that's why I did not film it. So guys, the video is getting too long. I don't want it to be too long, so we are just going to enjoy the rest of our food, and I'm just going to say thank you for watching. So we see you guys in our next video. If today this is your first time of seeing this face, okay, stay with us, become a member of the family by subscribing. Stay part of the family and remain part of the family. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. So guys, thank you for watching, and until next time guys, bye bye. Bye.